Before we get to the picks for Week 3 and college football Week 4, we do have breaking news. Actually, not one, but two college football teams. First off, UCLA just fired head coach Deshaun Foster after an 0-3 start. And then Virginia Tech just fired Brent Bray, also 0-3 for the Virginia Tech Hokies. No word on the new head coaches yet, but we'll get to it as soon as possible. Okay, here we go. Let's throw this up, shall we? Here we go. Okay, we'll start off in the NFL Week 3. Dolphins and Bills. I'm going with the Bills. Texans Jaguars. I'm going with the Jaguars. Jets and Buccaneers. I'm going with the Buccaneers. Okay. Raiders and Redskins. I'm going with the Redskins. Rams at Eagles. I'm going with the Eagles. Packers at Browns. I'm going with the Packers. Bengals at Vikings. I'm going with the Vikings. Colts at Titans. I'm going with the Titans. Steelers at Patriots. I'm going with the Patriots. Falcons at Panthers. I'm going with the Falcons. Saints and Seahawks. I'm going with the Saints. Broncos at Chargers. I'm going with the Chargers. Cowboys at Bears. I'm going with the Bears. Cardinals at 49ers. I'm going with the 49ers. Chiefs at Giants. I'm going with the Chiefs. And last but not least, Lions at Ravens. I'm going with the Lions. Okay, for college football, Syracuse at Clemson. I'm going with Clemson. Texas Tech at Utah. I'm going with Texas Tech. Okay. Arkansas at Memphis. I'm going with Arkansas. Okay. Maryland at Wisconsin. I'm going with Maryland. Okay. Michigan at Nebraska. I'm going with Michigan. Okay. Tulane at Ole Miss. I'm going with Ole Miss. Purdue at Notre Dame. I'm going with Notre Dame. Okay. North Carolina at UCF. I'm going with North Carolina. Okay. Auburn at Oklahoma. I'm going with Oklahoma. South Carolina at Missouri. I'm going with Missouri. Okay. Florida at Miami of L. I'm going with Florida. Okay. Illinois at Indiana. I'm going with Illinois. Okay. Right. Washington at Washington State. I'm going with Washington. Arizona State at Baylor. I'm going with Arizona State. Okay. Wyoming at Colorado. I'm going with Colorado. Okay. Michigan State at USC. I'm going with USC. And for Friday's games, Tulsa at Oklahoma State. I'm going with Oklahoma State. And then last but not least, Iowa at Rutgers. I'm going with Iowa. Okay. And for Thursday's games, and one of them is the college football, includes Rice at Charlotte. I'm going with Rice.